guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download your CV from LinkedIn on mobile, step by step and very easily. So let's get started. First of all, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once the app opens, we'll go to your profile. After opening LinkedIn, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. This will open your account menu and profile options. From here, we'll access your profile details. Now tap on About, which appears under your name. Your full profile will open on the screen. Here, you may notice that there is no direct option to download the CV. Since the CV download option isn't available here, go to the Jobs section, tap on Jobs from the bottom right corner. This section contains your job and application settings. Inside the Jobs section, tap on Preferences at the top left side. This will open different job-related options. From here, we'll find your saved CV. Now scroll down and tap on My Qualifications. This section stores your job-related documents. Here you'll see an option called Resumes and Application Data. Once the Resumes and Application Data section opens, you'll see your uploaded CV if you've added one before. Tap on it to download your CV directly to your phone. So that's how you can easily download your CV from LinkedIn using your mobile phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below if you want more LinkedIn tips and career-related tutorials. See you in the next video.